Hello, Rich Spezzano here from Digitally Fearless, and today I'm going to show you a quick way to create a ghost. I was just playing around and I just discovered this. I'm sure other people have, but I thought it would be fun to show you what I did. So I have two photos here. First the one of the man and then the one with the cemetery. They are both from Pixabay, and I have the links down below in this tutorial. So if you want to practice with these photos, you could just download them yourself. So let's get started. The first thing I want to do is the image is too bright for the cemetery. Since it's going to be a ghost in front of the cemetery, I'd like to just make it a little darker and a little more eerie. Not much, it's just something very quick. So the first thing I'll do is go to recolor back. So here's the recolor, and let's just give it a nice blue. Maybe, let's see, let's go like there, and maybe a little less saturation. Now this lesson isn't about refining all these photos. I just like to give quick lessons to give you some techniques. So you can definitely do a million other things to this photo to make it look eerie. I'm just trying to give it a little feel for the ghost right now. So that's it. So now let's take the photo of the man. And the first thing we're going to do is go from normal to color dodge. So right there. And then we're going to go to effects and go to outer glow. And let's bring the radius way up. In this photo, wow, let me think. I want it really wide. So how about around 89, 90 is fine. I think that works out pretty well. And the intensity at 50 I think is okay also. And we want to make this normal, not screen. And then we're going to go to inner glow, and let's bring the radius up on inner glow, say 80 some odd, really high on the inner glow. No, actually, I think I'll bring it way up to 100 on the inner glow. I think that looks better. And the 50 is close enough. That's not bad either. And once again, go to normal. And make sure edge, not center, that's center. Make sure edge is clicked. And then you close. So the next thing to do is we hit the gear while we have the man selected. We hit the, whoops, sorry. While we have the man selected, we hit the gear and we go to the blending options. Blending options is the same as blend if in Photoshop. And what I want to do is bring down from the source layer, I want to get rid of all the dark pixels. And in fact, I'm going to bring it right over there. And there you have it. Now, if you want to play around more, you can change the opacity, but I kind of like it the way it is. So that was a quick tip on how to create a ghost. I know many of you are watching these tutorials, and if you like them, please click subscribe. I'm trying to reach the 1,000 subscribers that YouTube requires, and I'm only doing this for a short time, but the faster I get to 1,000, the better it is for me. So then I can monetize the site and create many more videos. So thank you very much and have a good day.